Hello everybody, welcome to Crafting with DW. Today we are going to be looking at the Boxy Girls. We are going to unbox them. They are from J at Play. I've been looking at these dolls for a while at Walmart and I really wanted one, and today I finally caved and got them because I kind of want to use their body for another doll so I can make fairies, and I like the articulation that this doll has. Okay, let's go ahead and open. They have the little sign that says here at the top. So it looks like it's not going to be too difficult to get into. Okay. We have different boxes that are going to have different items inside. And if you take care of the boxes, you should be able to reuse them. For this doll, I'm going to go ahead and get some scissors so we can cut her free. Alright. Just move that hair out the way. She's also got some marks around the waist. And the one securing her in the head. This is the actual doll. You can see she's got articulation at the wrist, at the arms. She has articulated knees and her thighs. This is the Nomi doll. Say hi, Nomi. Hi. Okay, let's see what's in these boxes. The boxes are taped. This one says fragile, handle with care. So I'm going to use my scissors and I'm just going to cut it open like I would a regular box package. Make sure you have adult supervision if you are working with sharp objects. I'm curious to see if these accessories will fit Barbie at all. The clothes look like they might fit the Kelly doll. Okay, in this one we have a sticker. It says, Boxy Girls, enjoy these new fashion finds. You're fabulous. XOXO Boxy Girls. Okay. We've got some, I guess, tissue paper, and we also have a purse that's shaped like a present. So that's cute. We have more stickers. More confetti. Oh, and we have shoes. Well, aren't these some cute little shoes? Alright, let's see what we have in our next box. Okay, we got another sticker. It says, love this. Another thank you letter. It says, thank you for your purchase. You're beautiful. XOXO Boxy Girls. Let's see what's in here. It's wrapped in tissue paper. Okay, this looks like a bracelet, like a charm bracelet. And we also have earrings. And the size of the holes, I'm pretty sure these will also fit Barbie or Ever After High, or Monster High, or any of the regular fashion dolls. Okay, this is the last box that came with the doll. And then we're going to open the accessory pack. We have another sticker. More shoes, please. Ooh, I hope so. Enjoy these new fashion finds. You're fabulous. XOXO Boxy Girls. I don't think they're shoes. Okay, we got hair. We got a hair accessory. And I'm assuming you can clip this into the doll's hair so you can give her a bit of color. That's pretty cute. And it's also got a little barrette so you can clip it in. I like that. That's cute. Alright, and now for the accessory pack. Again, it looks pretty easy to open. It says tear here, so that's what we're going to do. We got caught on some tape. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have one really large box to open. I'm going to start with the large one first because I'm really curious to see what's in it. Alright, it's wrapped in tissue paper. It looks like a tiara. That is very nice. Very nice. I'm wondering if I can bend it a little though so it can fit dolls with a smaller head. So we'll definitely try that out. Alright, we've got some more eyeglass stickers or sunglasses. Those are cute. Enjoy these new fashion finds. Okay, it looks like we have a little clutch bag. It's shaped like a disco ball. That's really cute. And again, I'm finding that most of these accessories do look like they'll fit Barbie. And these are earrings. They're shaped like stars. So those are cute. Alright, let's see. I really hope I get another pair of shoes. I love this. Cute little sticker. Now for my doll store, these are going to be very useful. The stickers as well as the little signs in the boxes. Enjoy these new fashion finds. This is an adorable little dress. It's got the tulle on it with the little sparkles. This is so cute. Yeah, and it'll definitely fit these dolls, but also they will fit the Kelly dolls. So if you're looking for some Kelly doll clothes, these will definitely fit. That's so cute. Ooh, and they match the shoes. Nice. So we got a whole new outfit going on. But I'm still hoping for shoes. Still hoping for more shoes, I should say. I mean, who doesn't love shoes? Alright. The inside of this box says luxury. Thank you for your purchase. Love this. Another sticker. Shoot. Oh, these are really cute. They're like a sandal. And not only will these fit these dolls, but I'm pretty sure they're going to fit a doll with a slightly larger foot. So I'm curious to try that out and see how that works. These are cute. Okay, 2 more boxes. Another sticker. It's like a little bubble, a little talking bubble like you would see in comic books. That's cute. And we have another heart sticker. Ooh, we have makeup. These will definitely fit a Barbie. Definitely, definitely. And so you have the little solid plastic brush and the little compact case. Does it close? I think it closes. Nice. That is so adorable. All right, final box. We have a sticker of lipstick. Foodie freak. I got a friend who this would actually fit her perfectly. And we have another pair of shoes. So we have 2 pair of the pink shoes. And we have our new little gold slippers. Alright everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like the video, you can like or subscribe. And don't forget to check out what we're doing later on this summer. Thank you.